Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung A55 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and from here navigate all the way down to General Management and scroll down and you will find Reset. Once you click on it, you can scroll down again and at the bottom you'll have Factory Data Reset. When you click on it, it gives you information on what this process will remove, so just be wary of that. If you have anything like photos, music or stuff like that that you want to preserve, just keep locally on your device, make a copy of it to your computer or something. Now, assuming you have already made a copy of your data, or maybe you just don't want to, you can scroll down, select Reset. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it on the next page. And also, once you do that, because it's Samsung, once you confirm your screen lock, it will then tell you to sign out of your Samsung account if you have one signed in, which is not a thing when you have a, for instance, Google account. It's just, cares for pattern and or PIN password and Samsung account, which defeats the purpose of the screen lock. But in any case, once you confirm that and select delete all, it will begin factory resetting your device, which will take a couple minutes, maybe a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.